In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new FTP account on Hostinger. This process is straightforward and helps you manage your website files with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. Open up your browser and head over to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, enter your login credentials. If you haven't bookmarked the login page, you can always access it by searching for Hostinger login on your preferred search engine. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hostinger dashboard, a central hub for all your website management needs. On the left sidebar, you'll see a variety of options. What we want to focus on is the Websites section. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you should see a list of all the websites you currently have hosted on your account. Look through the list and select the website you wish to manage by clicking on its name. This action will take you directly to the dashboard for that particular website. The website dashboard is where you can perform all sorts of management tasks, but today, our focus is FTP accounts. On the left sidebar, look for the Files section. It's here that you'll find the FTP Accounts option. Clicking on it will take you to the FTP Accounts Management page. Here, you'll see any existing FTP accounts you might already have. However, to create a new one, scroll down to the area labeled Create a New FTP Account. In this section, you'll be prompted to fill in a username and password for your new FTP account. When choosing a username, think of something applicable to the account's purpose or the specific person who will be using it. Next, create a strong password. It's crucial to make it a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to ensure security. To help avoid forgetting it later, consider storing your credentials in a password manager. Once you've filled in these details, simply click on the Create button. Hostinger will create the new FTP account for you instantly. You'll then see a confirmation message, and your newly created account will be added to the list of existing accounts. Take a moment to note down the FTP details for future reference. This information includes the host name, which you'll need along with your username and password to access the FTP server using your favorite FTP client. And that's it! You've successfully created a new FTP account on Hostinger. This will allow you to manage your website's files efficiently and securely. Thank you for following along with today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. See you next time.